Hi everyone, it's Evie with another acrylic pour, and tonight I'm going to do a flip cup, and I'm going to use a bunch of different colors. So let's get started with my flip cup. So right here I have a turquoise with some blue in it. So we'll start with that. We'll put that at the very bottom. Okay. And then we have some violet-y color. It's violet with a little bit of white and then some gold, not really mixed in all the way. And then we have some of this light green with some gold in it. Okay, so now I'm going to attempt something I haven't really done before. I don't know if I should. I'm always scared to mix. Let's mix it a tiny bit. I'm gonna put this in and then turn once, and that's it. I'm always so afraid to mix it. At the top, you know what? At the very top, I'm gonna put in some of that blue. Okay. So, in order to have it flow better, I'm going to put some paint on the canvas. So I don't have to do too much tilting to get paint all over the canvas. Okay. Great. Now, actually, let's put in the rest of this blue. Gonna be my last painting for the night, so I should use as much paint as I can. Okay, so let's do this. I flipped it. Great. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, a lot of blue. Where is my violet? It's just a lot of blue. And you know what? I'm not gonna let this go to waste here. This was from my last pour. I just had too much paint. So I'm gonna put this all around. I'm not gonna let it go to waste. Okay, I used entirely too much blue. Okay, so now let's go ahead and see if we can get some cells with some heat. Okay, so we got a few cells, not too many. Let's see if we can tilt it a little bit. Okay, let's try for some more cells. really is not much contrast in this. That's my only regret about this, is that most of the colors are pretty similar. Not very much contrast. Here, let me get this corner done. Okay, maybe tilt it a tiny bit. Oops, getting my fingers in the paint. Okay, so this is what we have. Thank you for watching.